Hey everyone, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a dual preset, which is a low end and also a high end portion of the sound, and it sounds like this if you want to listen to it. Pretty much, this is really good for breakdowns with the MIDI. This has some automation in the cutoff, as you can see it over here. It starts chill and grows to be a lot bigger. And it's a really cool sound that you can find at Circulate Volume 4, that it's available at PML's website. But now let's get started with this preset and let's get started with this tutorial. We're going to start by initializing DIVA so that we get away of the modulation. And it sounds really strange, right? Pretty much really horrible, and we're gonna just go over here and start in the main section by putting a dual, 6 voices, and most importantly, the transpose is gonna go up. Which sounds a bit better. Not perfect, but better. Now we're gonna use a triple VCO, and we're gonna use oscillators 1, 2, and 3. But to do this in order, let's pick 2 and 3 and put it all the way down in volume. 16. Waveform as it is, volume as it is. Oscillator 1, we're done. Now oscillator 2, let's put it a little bit up. 4. No detune, and we're gonna pick a little bit of the waveform and put it all the way to the left. Now 3, we're gonna go and raise it a bit less. 2. And pretty much is going to remain as it is. Not going to do anything over here in the detunes and not going to do anything in the mods, and that's pretty much it with the sound. Now we also have to add a little bit of noise, just so you can hear the noise a little bit. And we can listen to the noise at this point because it's pretty dimmed. And just so we can go a little bit into the ADSR of the sound, let's go to envelope 1. Envelope 1 is going to put the attack as it is. The decay is going to go all the way down, and we're going to also increase sustain. That's it. It's a sustained sound. That's how it should be. But now let's go into the filter. In the filter, we're going to start by putting the cutoff a little bit down. And you can see how it takes a little bit of the excitement of the sound, but LFO 1 is going to create that excitement back. So we can't listen to anything. Why? Because this depth mod is at 100%. Essentially, the mod wheel is the only thing that controls this LFO 1. If we put this all the way down, there we go. But we also have to choose it a bipolar LFO. Non-bipolar? Bipolar. Perfect. Now, in addition to that, we're also going to go over here in LFO 1, and we're going to set pretty much as it is over here. Triangle, gate, pretty much when we press the note, it's going to start. And we're going to select a 2-to-1 over here. Press 2-to-1. So this is more like a mellow controller of the cutoff. There's another controller of the cutoff, which is LFO 2. And this is going to be the one that it's faster. So we're going to select here 1/4 trip. We already have the sound, right? But we're going to select this as synced. So it's synced to the BPM. Keyboard tracking, emphasis, and FM are going to remain pretty much as it is. We're not going to do anything to that. And that's pretty much it with the oscillators. Now we're going to go, and we don't have to change anything in envelope 2 so far because there's nothing to be done with envelope 2 as well. Now let's add a little bit of vibrato just so you can listen to it. Can you hear a little bit, but we're not going to go as intense. Glide a little bit up. And we're also going to add glide 2, which essentially glides when you have 2 notes. The first note glides differently than the second note. That's why you have glide 2. Filters, modifications, we're going to go in the filter mod and we're going to select LFO 2 and we're going to put this a little bit up. You can see that this modulation comes over here to the FM. Really cool sound. Now let's go over here into the trimmers. We also have to put this a little bit up somewhere over here and this one all the way down. This is going to detune the sounds between the oscillators 1, 2, and 3. And you see how it creates more detuning the sound. Now let's go into the effects section and we're going to select first a plate and then a chorus. For the plate, dry all the way up and wet a lot down. Size and decay as it is, the dampening a little bit up. Now chorus, we're going to select an ensemble chorus, but a lot less wet. Now with the modulation, really cool sound, and if you liked it, you can get over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.